Hello everyone, welcome in the science class. So as I told you in the previous session that we will discuss about the human respiratory system. So what happened in the human respiratory system? I already explained the different parts of the human body. Nasal passage, oral cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, lungs, heart, ribs. So let's discuss the process. And first, I want to discuss about the process of breathing. Breathing. Breathing is a process by which oxygen-rich air, remember the thing, I am not saying that oxygen is entering. I am saying oxygen-rich air. That means air which contain more oxygen is taken in, and carbon dioxide rich air means the air which contain more carbon dioxide is given out with the help of respiratory organs. That means our lungs is the main respiratory organ. So oxygen rich air enter inside and carbon dioxide rich air comes outside. This is called breathing. But when I discussed about the process of respiration, then I told you that respiration is a process of taking oxygen, utilizing oxygen. So from oxygen rich air, oxygen is utilized inside our body. But it is not there that we are having any sensor on our nose and this sensor only allow to enter only and only oxygen. No. Air enter which contain more oxygen and air comes out which contain more carbon dioxide. So this is the basic difference between breathing and respiration. The taking in of air rich in oxygen is called inhalation, means air को अंदर लेना, and giving out of air rich in carbon dioxide is called exhalation. Inhalation is a process to take air in and exhalation is a process to give out air out. To give out air. Breathing rate, the number of times a person breathes in a minute, 1 minute, that means in 60 seconds. How many times you inhale and exhale? Inhale and exhale combine form one breath. So breathing rate means the number of time you breathe in 1 minute. When a person needs more energy, and as you know that energy kahan se milegi? By the breakdown of food. And how food will break down? By combining with oxygen. And how do we get oxygen? By breathing. So he breathes faster, more oxygen is supplied to the cells, more food is broken down and more energy is released. I think now you understand that why sometimes we breathe fast when we are doing heavy exercises, because at that time our body need more energy to do that exercise, so that's why we breathe fast so that we can consume our energy, we can get energy. Next one slide is how do we breathe? That means what is the process of breathing? As the respiratory system helps in breathing, the main parts of the respiratory system are nostril, means nasal passage, nasal cavity, this one is the cavity, windpipe, this is the windpipe, lungs, these two are lungs, and diaphragm, very important thing. This one area, this one, there is a bone and muscles. So this a, a dome-like area is present here. You can see here with the help of this. A dome-like area is present here, that is actually diaphragm. So it is very important. It plays a very important part in the mechanism, in the process of breathing. Breathing involves the rib cage and a muscular sheet below the chest cavity called diaphragm. So it involves rib cage. This one is the rib cage. You can see in this picture very clearly, it can be seen. And the muscular sheet below the chest. This one is the muscular sheet below the chest, that is known as diaphragm. So what happened during inhalation, breathing in, the chest cavity increases in size. This is the time when you are breathing in. The chest cavity, this one area increases. You can see in this picture, this one area increases in size and the diaphragm moves down. So actually the diaphragms was like that. But when you are breathing, this diaphragm is moving downward. ये किस साइड मूव करता है? ये डाउनवर्ड मूव करेगा. During exhalation, breathing out, the chest cavity reduced. You can see the area. Here the area of the chest cavity, it was this one area. But here, as you can see, this area is comparatively reduced. ये एरिया क्या हो जाता है? ये एरिया रिड्यूस हो जाता है. सो चेस्ट कैविटी एक्सपेंड है यहाँ और यहाँ रिड्यूस हो जाती है. And the diaphragm moves up. Now the diaphragm moves up. You can see in the picture, diaphragm moves up. And air is pushed out of the lungs. So the air which is present inside the lungs, that can easily push out. So here air enter inside and here air forced outside. So role of the rib cage and the diaphragm is very important. Let's discuss the mechanism of this whole process, the mechanism of breathing in our next session. So hope you enjoy it. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye to all of you.